I have here a bread proofing basket set. It's really, really fun. You can see it. The box looks really nice. This would be also really great to give as a gift to anybody. So I'm going to take everything out and take it all out and see what it comes with. Comes with a scraper, some instructions. Comes with the baskets and other different tools. So I'll open it all up and I'll show you what each item is. So this whole set can be used to make an entire process of bread, just regular bread or fermented bread or sourdough bread, whatever type of bread you want to make. You can do the dough mixing, kneading, fermentation, dough division, dough scraping. So everything can be used up to baking the item. This is really fun. It comes with these really, really nice baskets. They're gonna be super easy to clean and they are collapsible, so that's gonna be really nice in storing and making them. So it comes with a nice dough whisk here. It comes with instructions, a nice little scraper. Comes with a nice silicone pad here to put the bread on after you mixed it so it doesn't stick. This is for flour to put over the dough. Little pastry brush, and this is the little scorer with the little blades inside, and it also comes with little tops to put over the basket as it's proofing. Now I'm going to make my dough inside a bowl, and then I'm going to put them inside my basket here. If you wanted to, you could even mix it inside here if you don't have a bowl. I have another bowl I like mixing my dough in, but these are going to be perfect for raising the dough and fermentation. Now we have the whisk here and we're going to mix up our dough. It's going to be really helpful to have it to mix. Now that we're done with the mixing, I'm gonna flour this a little bit and put it on here and we're going to shape it up. So this is really nice to help get the flour evenly on the surface. So for this process, you can use a scraper to help you move and knead the dough if you need to, or you can just use your hands. This is super nice. It doesn't stick. And it's easy to just put a little bit of flour if you do need it. Okay. Now we're going to put a bunch of flour in here to help it when the dough is inside the basket. Now, when you put it in the basket, make sure the pretty side is down inside the basket. And now we're going to just take it with this and cover it up. Now I have it covered and I'm going to let it raise until I am ready to cook it. The blade and the holder here, it comes with 5 different blades. I took 2 of them out so you can see what they look like. Also comes with a little holder here so you can hold them inside here so it doesn't get anything else cut besides the bread when you use it. To insert the blade, you're going to just bend it, arch it, and then slide it in the top and the bottom just like this. Just make sure you're not touching the outer edges. This is made with a food grade silicone without bisphenol A. So it's going to be extra safe for your family and kids. This is not going to grow any bacterial growth on it because it's silicone. It's not the traditional basket weave. So it's going to be easier to clean as well. And it's not going to have any bugs or bugs attracted to it because of what it's made with. Now my bread is ready to flip. I'm going to take the knife and squirt however I feel like doing it. I put some parchment paper down, or you can just put it right on this if you want to. Just kind of prep it to however you're going to want to cook it in the end. Now I'm going to take off the top here. You can see how nice it raised it. It worked really good. So now I'm gonna flip it out. You can see it didn't stick. You can see the really pretty pattern it made for the basket. Now I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna decide what kind of design to do, and I will cut it and be done. Also comes with this nice little basting brush. If for any reason you wanted to baste your bread, you can do that. I'm not gonna do this with mine this time, but it's nice that it's included if you want to use it. So this is going to take some practice to get used to, and depending on the style of bread you got, if it's thicker or thinner, it was really easy to use, so it'll be fun to practice more with it and with doing different designs. These baskets are going to be super easy to clean. It just rinses off really well. If it had anything stuck to it, it would be really quick and easy to wipe it off as well. So now all I have to do is dry it off and I can use it over and over again. So this bread proofing basket kit is a lot of fun. My kids had fun helping me make some bread. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
It's really easy to use. It'd also be really great to give as a gift to anyone that loves making bread. Comes in a great box to give as a gift. Also, it's going to be really easy to clean these, and it comes with everything you need. So I'd recommend it to anyone that loves making bread or even just wants to learn how to make some bread.